When you enter the voting booth this year, you will be using the new touchscreen voting system. To begin, insert your voter access card. You can magnify or change the contrast of your ballot to help increase readability. Use the Next button to see each ballot page. To select a candidate or issue, touch the box next to your choice. To change or cancel your selection, touch the box again. This will allow you to make a different choice. To enter a write-in candidate, select Write-in and type the candidate name, then select Record Write-in. The normal voting screen will return, and the name you entered will appear as the choice for that particular race. On the summary page, items in red indicate races that were left blank or incomplete. To change your vote for any race, touch the race and you will be taken back to the proper page to cast your vote. To verify your ballot, touch Print Ballot and you will see a copy of your choices. Once you check your printed selections, you can either cast or reject your ballot printout. To record your vote, touch the Cast Ballot button. The printer will scroll to hide your selections. You have successfully completed the electronic touchscreen voting process. Remove your voter access card and return it to a poll worker.